just got this new Lego City mining team, the 82-piece set with a glow-in-the-dark spider. Now, if only I knew someone who could help me build it.
Hi.
Oh, who are you?
Dominic. Hi, I'm Dominic. Today, we are doing this cool set.
So let's show us the box first. Show me the front of the box.
So there's the front and there's the back.
Okay, let's see. Lots of stuff that the people can do. So Dominic, why don't you open it up and let's dump it all out on this table.
Okay. This is always hard to get from. You phone under the desk, Daddy, because that's what you get. Hey kids, never ask your dad to do that. So, if there are any more bags, if you ask me how many bags do I, there's 2 bags.
What else is in the box?
The constructions. You always know there's constructions to each wagon. Oh, why is it opened up?
Anything else in the box?
No.
Nope. So let's see. Here's how we fix the instructions. So they fold it up like that, but if I just bend it backwards, there we go.
There. Now we're gonna build this. So if you don't know how to open it, you just do that.
Rip it open. You dump it on the table.
So here's the pieces in the big bag. We will sew it up closer soon, like Daddy. So there's all the pieces in here.
Okay, why don't you open up that little bag too?
Whoa!
Those pieces are trying to escape.
No, I just whacked them. Hey!
Maybe we should build it on the carpet.
Daddy. No, I want to build it up here with you.
Can you open that one too?
Just a minute. There was something I saw, and I didn't know what it was for. Where is you? He was dark gray, and he was a brain
Is
reader.
it that shovel?
No, I think I was just imagining.
You must have just been imagining something weird.
And you know what, kids? Did you realize on the box it said there was a glow-in-the-dark spider? No? Okay, well, there is a glow-in-the-dark spider included. So now there's the yellow bag.
All right, so do you want to divide them up by color to make our building easier?
No, it's okay. It's not many pieces, see?
Okay. Now I'm gonna set this up and we'll start our build.
Well,
Tell everyone you'll be back in a sec.
the audience, there's something I need to show you. You know this comes with an axe, and so there's also another thing for mining in here. Let me just find it. There's a button here. There's what I'm looking for. This. All these 3 mining pieces. So now we're going to build it.
Okay, tell them to see you soon.
No, just a minute, people. There's a new thing what I just wanted to tell you. I'm going to tell you what we build first. So we're building this person, and then just a person, and then this yellow car, and then a few pages. Next, we build this guy, and then this. And then when we're finished, it comes to that end.
And then we just build. One of your audience members is sad.
No, that's just my baby. So now you build these 2 figures, and then the last thing.
All right, well let's start it.
Okay.
Say see you in a sec, audience.
See you in a sec, audience. was introducing, and now it's all finished.
Why don't you show us what you built?
So first, I built this really cool car. I just put the coffee mug in there, so that's the stuff. And then that's the steering wheel and Daddy's. And this was only 3 steps, so isn't that weird? The finger. Now we come to this. It has a finger, a glowing dark spider, and a golden thing. Now we come to a bigger thing. Oh, let me tell you how many steps that was. Whoa.
How many steps what was?
This was.
This little rock thing?
Yeah. Step 1. 6 steps. Because it goes to the page 6 in the big number. Now we have this, the big rock. And that's a cool thing, and that goes to step 1, 6.
So what does that big rock thing do?
So, what's this? If you put this in,
What?
and you found a gold thing inside.
Oh.
And then, if you want to restore it in there, you can. Just do.
So do you like this set, Dominic?
Yes, but where does? Do you know if it goes like this? Look in the ball. Look
Yeah,
at
that's
the.
right. Squish it down. All right. So let's go play with this. Why don't we say goodbye to everybody?
Well, there's something I need to show you. Where the spider goes. If you. And now we have this little tumble. It only does and turns its camera. Bye.
Okay, say bye to everybody.
Bye.